faster, easier starts, outstanding durability, and commercial duty cutting performance without the extra weight. Rule the outdoors with the Makita 42cc Farm Chainsaw. Slow starting chainsaws are a waste of time. Makita Easy Start is a spring-assisted starter with low RPM ignition coil. That means 30% lower rope pull resistance and faster, easier starts. The 3-horsepower engine is engineered for fast acceleration and efficient cutting. The compact, comfortable design includes a 2-piece magnesium crankcase for less weight and improved durability. Toolless filter access allows for quick and convenient maintenance. It weighs only 10.8 pounds with added features including single-touch engine stop and a dampening system engineered for less vibration. Easier starts, outstanding durability, and commercial duty cutting performance without the extra weight.